Yo, what is up guys? Roy here, back again with another video tutorial. Today I will be showing you guys how you can get free gift card codes. And maybe you're wondering why I'm teaching you guys how to get them, and the answer is really simple. Because of too many scams out there. Basically, I was able to compromise this gift card code database and get access to thousands of codes. If you want to know the specific details as to how I was able to hack this database, check the About section on my website, www.gamer-evolution.com. Before we get started on this tutorial, I want to let you guys know about a little giveaway I'm doing. I recently got my hands on 3 iPhone 7s, and I will be giving them away to you guys. All you have to do for a chance to win is like the video, comment down below with your username, and subscribe to my channel. You will automatically be entered into the raffle. Now if you haven't subscribed, then you might miss out because the winners will be announced on the next video that I produce. Alright, put that out of the way and let's get started with this tutorial. First thing you need to do is to visit my website at www.gamer-evolution.com. There you will see all the tools I have developed, and if you can't find the one you need, there is a search bar that I developed to make it easier for you to find a certain tool. And just to know, if you are using a mobile device, the search bar should be placed at the bottom of the page. Now I will use the search bar to find the article about this gift card and will show you how to generate free codes. Please carefully watch the complete tutorial and I will be back once the process is done. There you have it, nice and easy. Hope you guys enjoyed. Also, don't forget about the giveaway I'm doing. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.